Welcome to Motormatch Liverpool. Thank you very much for joining us today. We're currently looking at our 2017 Volkswagen Caddy. If you'd like to bear with us, we'll have a brief overview of the exterior and interior of the vehicle. But if you do require any more in-depth information, please don't hesitate to give us a call on 0151 728 4700. A salesman will be more than happy to answer any questions that you may have regarding this vehicle. First off, let's take a look at this very nice front end. As you can see, it doesn't appear to have any damage, which is always a bonus. And if you'd like to follow me around to the near side, as you can see, you do have steel wheels, which is a great feature for a van. Now if we take a look down the side, as you can see, the bodywork and panels do appear to be in good condition. If we take a look on the passenger side, here we have two very comfortable cloth seats, which offer you plenty of side support and comfort for any long journeys that you may be on. If we slide open those side doors, as you can see, the rear is ply-lined. You do also have shelving units that are installed. It's a great feature for any tools or goods you may be carrying around. And you do also have a partition to protect you and your passengers from any moving goods that may be in the rear. If we come round to the back, as you can see, you do also have more shelving units. As I mentioned before, it's a great feature if you have any tools that you need easy access to. If we come around to the driver's side now, again the interior is in good condition. And if we take a look at those cloth seats, as you can see, there do not appear to be any nicks or tears in the fabric. If we pop inside and have a look at your infotainment system, here you have FM and AM stations along with CD player. Just above this is your temperature control. This particular van is a 5-speed manual. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is our 2017 Volkswagen Caddy. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you do have any more questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call on 0151 728 4700 and a salesman will be more than happy to answer any questions that you may have regarding this vehicle. Just to make you aware, all our cars do come with a 30-day motormatch promise and do include a £150 administration fee. We also offer flexible finance options should you choose to use one. Thank you very much for watching this video and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Bye for now.